Why you can't afford to ignore life insurance. Life is unpredictable. No matter how carefully we plan or how much we budget, life has a way of throwing curveballs, those moments we don't see coming. Have you ever thought about who would bear the financial burden if something unexpected happened to you? Would your loved ones still be able to cover rent, the mortgage, or even basic daily needs? For many, these are tough questions, but here's the good news. Life insurance offers a solution, and it might be more accessible and affordable than you think. In this video, we're going to break down what life insurance really means for budget-conscious families like yours. We'll tackle misconceptions, demonstrate its practicality, and empower you to make one of the most compassionate decisions for your loved one's future. Let's start with a simple truth. Life insurance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Often people think of it as something only for the wealthy or those planning for an extensive legacy, but that's a myth. Life insurance is for anyone who wants to secure their family's financial stability if the unexpected happens. Think about it. If you're the primary breadwinner or contribute significantly to your household income, how would your family manage without that support? Everyday bills, loan payments, and even groceries suddenly become stress points. Life insurance eases this burden. It ensures your family's finances remain steady during one of life's most difficult moments. Whether you're single with dependents, a parent, or supporting aging relatives, life insurance is a practical step anyone can take. One of the biggest hurdles people face is misinformation. Let's talk about a few common myths surrounding life insurance. It's too expensive. Many assume life insurance costs hundreds of dollars a month, but the reality? Policies are designed for a wide range of budgets. Basic coverage can start as low as the cost of a few cups of coffee per month. It's too complicated. Yes, some types of life insurance come with added complexity, but starting small with a term life insurance policy is straightforward. Many providers today offer easy-to-understand policies tailored to your needs. I don't need it because I'm young and healthy. Here's the thing, youth is actually an advantage. Starting early means smaller premiums for greater coverage. Life insurance rates are based on factors like age and health, so waiting only makes it more expensive as risks increase over time. So what does life insurance really do? In simple terms, it provides a financial safety net for your loved ones when you're no longer there to support them. Picture this. You've worked so hard to build a stable life for your family. You want the best for them, an education for your kids, a mortgage-free home, savings for the future. Life insurance ensures these dreams don't crumble under financial pressure. It steps in and helps cover everyday living expenses, major loans like mortgages or car payments, future milestones like college tuition, funeral and medical costs. Essentially, it means your loved ones aren't left worrying about how to make ends meet when they're already grieving. Let's look at some relatable scenarios where life insurance makes all the difference. Scenario 1. Young parents. Imagine a young couple with 2 children. One parent works full-time, while the other works part-time to balance childcare. If the full-time income earner passes away unexpectedly, what happens? Life insurance can ensure the family doesn't face eviction, debt, or the inability to pay for essentials. Scenario 2. Homeowners with loans. You've finally purchased your dream home, but with a long-term mortgage hanging over your head, the responsibility is heavy. Life insurance can prevent the risk of your family losing the home by covering outstanding debts. Scenario 3. Supporting aging parents. If you're part of the sandwich generation, caring for both kids and aging parents, your income likely supports multiple people. Life insurance safeguards their comfort and care even when you're not around to provide it. In all these cases, life insurance acts as a financial hero, stepping in just when it's needed most. One of the most encouraging facts about life insurance is its affordability. A common misconception is that premiums will swallow an already tight budget, but that's rarely true. For example, a healthy 30-year-old might pay between $20 and $30 a month for a $250,000 term policy. Could you imagine reallocating part of your entertainment budget or small luxury purchases to cover this? It's a minor expense for major peace of mind. And if affordability remains a concern, start small. You don't have to go for a massive policy right away. Many providers offer flexible, low-coverage options to start protecting your family without putting pressure on your finances. It's like planting a seed. Small steps can yield big growth when it comes to coverage. Let's take a minute to consider the alternative. What happens if you don't prioritize life insurance? Without it, your family might face loans, unpaid credit, or even foreclosure on the family home. Dependents could struggle to access quality education or maintain their current lifestyle. Final expenses like medical bills and funeral costs would add an extra burden to those left behind. It's an unsettling reality, but one worth considering. When you invest in life insurance, you're not just buying a financial policy, you're buying protection. You're telling your family, no matter what happens, I've taken care of you. One of the greatest benefits of life insurance is its flexibility. There's no one-size-fits-all policy because everyone's needs are different. Young families might choose term life insurance for significant but temporary expenses, like raising children or paying off large loans. Older individuals might look into whole life insurance to cover long-term financial goals or leave a legacy. Budget-conscious first-timers can explore smaller policies covering only essential expenses to ease into protection. There's something for every stage of life and every budget. You might be wondering, but where will I find the extra money for premiums? The answer lies in small adjustments. Trade 1 or 2 small luxuries a month, like skipping a takeout meal or forgoing a subscription service you no longer use, and you'll likely have enough to cover affordable life insurance. It comes down to prioritizing what truly matters. Peace of mind for your loved one's future is worth far more than a fleeting expense. Another reason people delay life insurance is thinking it's too early. But starting young is the smartest financial move. Not only do you lock in low premiums, but you also provide long-term security for growing responsibilities. Waiting until the right time often makes coverage more expensive and harder to secure. Remember, nothing in life is guaranteed. By starting now, you build a safety net while you're still healthy and rates are favorable. By now, you're likely wondering how to get started. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Many insurers offer online tools to estimate premiums based on your individual needs. You can schedule a consultation with an expert, read reviews, and compare quotes, all from the comfort of your home. Here are a few quick tips. Calculate how much coverage your family would need to replace your income and pay off debts. Research reputable providers that cater to budget-friendly policies. Start with a simple, small policy. It's better to have some coverage than none. When we talk about life insurance, it's easy to focus on numbers, charts, and plans. But let's not forget the emotional aspect. The real value is peace of mind, not just for you, but for those you love. Picture your significant other, children, or even parents knowing that no matter what, they'll be supported. That's what life insurance does. It provides security and comfort in their darkest moments. Life insurance isn't just a financial product. It's an investment in care, love, and responsibility. It's not about taking on a new expense, but prioritizing a step that safeguards everything you've worked so hard to build for your family. Remember, the future arrives whether we plan for it or not. By acting today, you can turn uncertainty into assurance. As you think about your financial priorities, ask yourself, can I really afford to leave my family unprotected? Make the decision now. Protect what matters most. Explore your life insurance options today because truly it's something you can't afford to ignore. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips.